Today we're going to be learning about order of operations. An operation is the same thing as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. There's a specific order of those operations that we need in order to solve problems that look like this. We can't just solve them from left to right. The answer would not be correct. We have this fun little acronym, PEMDAS, or Please Excuse My Dear Aunt Sally. And I'm going to explain what PEMDAS means. P stands for parentheses. The first thing that we do when we look at a problem like this is we solve anything inside of the parentheses. The E stands for exponents. That's like if we had a number with a tiny little number up here. But in 5th grade, we don't need to know that information. M stands for multiplication. D stands for division. A, addition. And S, you got it, subtraction. Multiplication and division are in order from left to right. So if we had a problem that had a division problem before a multiplication problem, we would solve that division problem before the multiplication, in order from left to right. The same goes for addition and subtraction. Do them in order from left to right. And I'll explain that as we get down here. Here's our example problem for today. Order of operations tells me that the first thing I need to do is anything inside of my parentheses. Well, 9 plus 8 is inside of my parentheses. 9 plus 8 is 17. My new problem is 17 times 5 minus 9. The next step would be exponents, but remember, we don't need to know that in 5th grade. So I move on to multiplication and division from left to right. As I work from left to right, I notice that, hey, I need to multiply 17 times 5. Now, if you know that off the top of your head, you can go ahead and write that answer. But if you don't know it off the top of your head, you might need to solve. So my newest problem is now 85 minus 9. I don't have any more multiplication and division in this problem, so I can move on to the last step, which is addition and subtraction from left to right. I'm left with 85 minus 9. I know that that answer, is 76. 76 is my final answer for this problem.